Karibu Nairobi, welcome to the vibrant heart of Kenya, a city affectionately known as the Green City in the Sun. As soon as you arrive, you will feel a special kind of energy pulsing through its veins. This is a place of incredible contrast, where modern skyscrapers stand tall against a backdrop of sprawling green spaces and rich cultural history. Nairobi is not just a destination, it's an experience waiting to unfold before your very eyes. It's a city that welcomes everyone with open arms, ready to share its stories, its beauty, and its unique spirit with all who come to visit and explore its many wonders. Our journey begins in the Central Business District, a place where the city's ambition is clearly visible in its stunning architecture. Look up, and you'll see the iconic Kenyatta International Convention Center, or KIC, as we locals call it. Its unique cylindrical shape, resembling a traditional African hut, makes it a landmark you simply cannot miss. Next to it, modern glass and steel towers like the UAP Old Mutual Tower and the Times Tower reach for the sky, reflecting the bright African sun. These buildings are more than just concrete structures. They are symbols of Nairobi's growth, its forward-looking vision, and its status as a major hub in East Africa. Beyond the impressive buildings, you will find that Nairobi truly lives up to its nickname. The city is dotted with beautiful parks and green areas that provide a peaceful escape from the urban hustle. Uhuru Park, with its serene man-made lake, is a popular spot for families and friends to relax and enjoy a leisurely afternoon boat ride. Just a short drive away, the lush Karura forest offers walking and cycling trails through a canopy of native trees, complete with waterfalls and caves. This seamless blend of urban development and natural beauty is what makes Nairobi so incredibly special and memorable for everyone who spends time here. As you prepare to explore, remember that Nairobi is a city of discovery. Around every corner, a new sight, sound, or smell is waiting to capture your attention. Whether you are gazing at the skyline from a rooftop restaurant, listening to the distant calls of wildlife from the nearby national park, or simply soaking in the atmosphere of a bustling street, you are part of the city's living story. So, put on your most comfortable shoes, bring your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the incredible experience that is Nairobi. You are about to see why this city holds a special place in the hearts of so many people. Now let's talk about the streets of Nairobi, which are the arteries that keep this great city alive and moving. The city moves to a unique rhythm, a symphony of sounds that defines its daily life. From the early morning, the streets are filled with the sounds of cars, buses, and people all heading to their destinations. You will hear the distinct rumble of traffic, the friendly chatter of pedestrians, and the distant sirens that are all part of the urban soundscape. Navigating these busy streets is an adventure in itself, offering a real glimpse into the fast-paced and energetic lifestyle of the people who call this city home. Getting around Nairobi is an experience you won't forget, thanks to our famous matatus. These are privately owned minibuses that serve as the primary mode of public transport, and they are anything but ordinary. Each matatu is a moving piece of art, often decorated with vibrant graffiti, portraits of famous people, and powerful slogans. Inside, you'll likely hear the latest local or international music blasting from powerful speakers. The matatu conductors, known as makanga, skillfully call out destinations and collect fares, adding to the lively and sometimes chaotic atmosphere that is so characteristically Nairobi. It's a fun and affordable way to travel like a local. Of course, with so many people on the move, traffic is a major part of the Nairobi experience. The city's roads can become very congested, especially during the morning and evening rush hours. You will see long lines of cars, buses, and matatus all patiently waiting their turn to move forward. But even in the midst of a traffic jam, the city's spirit shines through. Street vendors weave between the cars, selling everything from newspapers and snacks to phone chargers and sunglasses. It's a testament to the resilience and entrepreneurial spirit of Nairobians, who find opportunity in every situation. As day turns into night, the city's rhythm changes, but it never stops. The streets remain alive with activity as people head out to enjoy the evening. The bright lights of buildings, restaurants, and billboards illuminate the roads, creating a different but equally captivating atmosphere. The sounds of traffic are replaced by the buzz of nightlife, with music and laughter spilling out from popular entertainment spots. This constant flow of energy, from the break of dawn until late at night, is what makes Nairobi a truly 24-hour city, always awake and always full of life. Exploring Nairobi is sure to work up an appetite, and luckily, you are in a city that offers a delicious journey for your taste buds. The local food scene is a wonderful mix of traditional Kenyan flavors and contemporary culinary creativity. The most famous dish you must try is nyama choma, which means grilled meat in Swahili. It is usually goat meat or beef, slow roasted over an open charcoal fire until it is perfectly tender and smoky. It is often served on a wooden platter with a side of kachumbari, a fresh and zesty salsa made from tomatoes, onions, and coriander. This is more than just a meal. It's a social event best enjoyed with friends. No Kenyan meal is complete without ugali, the staple food of the nation. Ugali is a dense porridge made from maize flour, cooked until it becomes firm. It has a mild flavor and is the perfect accompaniment for stews, vegetables, or our beloved nyama choma. You use your hands to break off a small piece, roll it into a ball, and use it to scoop up the other delicious foods on your plate. Another local favorite you can enjoy is sukuma wiki, which translates to push the weak. It is a simple yet nutritious dish of collard greens sautéed with onions and tomatoes, a true comfort food for many Kenyans. For those looking for a quick and tasty snack while on the go, Nairobi's street food will not disappoint. You can find vendors selling roasted maize, which is grilled over a charcoal stove and often seasoned with a sprinkle of chili and lime. Another popular treat is the mandazi, a slightly sweet, triangular-shaped donut that is light and fluffy. It's the perfect snack to have with a cup of hot chai or tea in the morning or afternoon. These simple pleasures are an essential part of the local food culture and offer an authentic taste of everyday life in the city. You can find these amazing foods all over the city, from high-end restaurants that offer a modern twist on classic dishes to bustling roadside eateries and open-air markets where the flavors are as authentic as they get. For the best nyama choma, head to a place with a lively atmosphere, often called a choma zone, where you can watch the chefs at work. Don't be shy to ask locals for their recommendations. They will be more than happy to point you toward their favorite spots. Eating in Nairobi is an adventure that will connect you to the heart of Kenyan culture. The true soul of Nairobi is not found in its tall buildings or busy streets, but in its people. Nairobians are known for their warmth, friendliness, and incredible sense of community. As you walk through the city, you will be greeted with smiles and a genuine curiosity about where you come from. People are always willing to help with directions or share a friendly conversation. This welcoming nature makes it easy for visitors to feel comfortable and at home. The city is a melting pot of different cultures and ethnic groups from all over Kenya and beyond, creating a diverse and dynamic social fabric that is truly unique. A great place to witness this vibrant energy up close is at one of the city's many open-air markets. The Maasai Market, which moves to different locations in the city on different days of the week, is a kaleidoscope of color and creativity. The stalls are filled with a dazzling array of handcrafted goods, from beaded jewelry and intricate wood carvings to colorful fabrics and beautiful paintings. The vendors are passionate about their work and are often happy to share the stories behind their crafts. Bargaining is part of the fun, so feel free to engage in a friendly negotiation to get a good price for your souvenirs. During the day, the city is a hive of activity, with people from all walks of life going about their business with a determined and optimistic spirit. From sharply dressed professionals in the central business district to hardworking artisans in the markets, everyone contributes to the city's relentless pace. This shared sense of purpose creates a powerful energy that is both inspiring and infectious. You will see people laughing, sharing stories, and supporting one another, showcasing the strong community bonds that hold the city together. Nairobi is a city built on hard work, resilience, and a collective dream for a brighter future. As the sun sets, Nairobi transforms, but its energy never fades. The city's nightlife comes alive with a wide range of options for entertainment. You can enjoy a quiet dinner, listen to live music from talented local bands, or dance the night away at a vibrant club. The people of Nairobi know how to have a good time, and the evenings are filled with laughter and joy. The enduring spirit of this city, fueled by its friendly and energetic people, is what makes it so unforgettable. I encourage you to come and experience it for yourself. Nairobi is waiting to welcome you with a warm embrace.